Everyone, myself Gautam Patra. Now I discuss about the rules of concave mirror. Concave mirror, some rules are there, and first rules of concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. This is P, F, C. When incident ray parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis. When incident ray parallel to the principal axis, when incident ray parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray passes through the focus. The reflected ray passes through the focus. This is rule 1. When incident ray parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray passes through focus. This is the rule 1. Okay, then reverse rule of the rule 2. When incident ray passes through the focus, the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. The reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. When incident ray passes through the focus, the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. When incident ray parallel to the when incident ray passes through the focus, the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. This is the rule 2. When rule 3. P, F, C. When incident ray passes through the center of curvature, then reflected ray retrace. Reflected ray retrace means when incident ray passes through the center of curvature, the reflected ray retrace. When incident ray passes through focus, center of curvature, the reflected ray retrace. Okay, then next rules. Rule number 4. P, F, C. When incident ray makes some angle at the point of P, that means pole, and reflected ray comes out same angles. That means when incident ray strike to the pole at theta degree, then reflected ray also comes out in the theta degree. When incident ray strike to the pole at theta degree, the reflected ray comes out at the theta degree. incident ray strike to the pole at theta degree, then reflected ray comes out at theta degree. Then these are 4 rules is most applicable in case of concave mirror. Now discuss about case studies. Case 1, same concave mirror. Case 1, when object is placed between P and F. When object placed in between P and F. First we draw. This is the concave mirror. This is P, this is F, this is C. The distance between P to F equal to F to C. According to our question, object is placed in between P and F. So we place object, always object placed above the principal axis, Then first draw a parallel line to the principal axis. We know that when we draw the parallel line at the principal axis, according to the rules, the ray passes through the focus. And second line we draw through center of curvature to this. This is A, this is B. Here we dotted line is draw because this is the virtual. Now discuss about object position. This is known as U. U is the negative. This is V, that is image. V positive, this is positive side. Height of the object, this is positive, because on the principal axis. Height of the image, this is also positive. Magnification, this is raise the size, that is positive. Now location of the image. Image is formed beyond the mirror. Image is formed beyond the mirror. Means virtual. When the image is formed behind the mirror, then this is known as the virtual image. Nature. Enlarged. Image is formed beyond the mirror and this is enlarged in nature. Okay, this is the case 1. Then comes to discuss about case 2. Case 2, this is PFC. 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 Then discuss about case 2 when object placed at F. When object placed at F. When object placed at F. That means focus. This is the parallel line, and according to the rules, when the line is parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. And another one is draw center of curvature to the head of the object. That means image. Object is placed, image is formed at infinity. U is negative. V also negative. V also negative. Height of the object positive because it is present on the principal axis. Height of the image negative because it is present beyond the principal axis. Magnification highly enlarged. Highly enlarged. According to magnification, it is highly enlarged. Then location at infinity. You cannot tell where its image is formed. Infinity. And real nature of image. Real inverted enlarged. This is the case 2 about concave mirror. That is object image is from infinity, so we cannot show it, and the image is formed at infinity, location real because it is formed in front of the mirror. It is formed in front of the mirror. And inverted enlarged. Now comes to discuss about case 3. Object placed between, this is P, F, C, between F and C. F and C. Object placed between F and C. Better, this one is next discuss. First, when object placed at infinity. At infinity. Where is image formed? When object placed at infinity, this is the object. We cannot place on the principal axis. Object placed at infinity, then where is image is formed? Image is formed at focus. Image is formed at focus. According to the rules, this one parallel to the principal axis is strike to the focus. This one also parallel to the principal axis is strike to the focus. Then U negative, V also negative, height of the object object positive, height of the image also positive, and magnification negative because the size is very diminished, very small. Then location means it is found at F, nature, real, inverted, diminished, highly diminished or point sized. Okay, this is the object we cannot show. This is the point size and use the negative because this side image also negative. Height of the object it is present on the principal axis, and height of the object positive, height of the image positive, and magnification is reduced. This is the case 3. Then now next comes to the case 4. That means according to the rules, when object is placed at infinity, then image is formed at focus, and when object is placed at focus, image is formed at infinity. So these are two inverse to each other. Then case 5. When object placed at that means in between C and F, center of curvature and focus, P, F, C. This is object, this is parallel line, then this line passes through the focus, then next line strike to the center of curvature, better is you use the same rules. It is also passes through the focus, and when strike to the mirror, it parallel to then this is the image, this is A, B, A dash, B dash. So when object is placed between C and F, center of curvature and focus, image is formed beyond the C. Then U negative, V negative, focus also negative, magnification size will be right, M positive, height of the object positive because it is on the principal axis, height of the image negative because it is below the principal axis. Then location, image is formed beyond C. Nature, it is formed in front of the mirror, so it is real. And this is the back of the principal axis, inverted, size will be right, enlarged. This is the image, this is the object, this is beyond the principal axis, size will be enlarged when it is formed in front of the mirror. This is the real. Okay, this is the case 5. This one is the case 5. Next case is case number 6. Next one is case number 6. Okay. These 5 rules, these 5 cases are in case of concave mirror. Then comes to case number 6. Case number 6. Case number 6. When object placed at C. Object placed at C. This is P, F, C. This is the object. Then when this is parallel, passes through the focus. The next one, we draw parallel and it is also passes through the, when actually use the measurement, we accurately get this. This is A, B, this is A dash, B dash, B dash. Then height of the object and image relation. Height of object equal to height of image. And it is formed in front of the mirror, that is real and inverted. U is negative, V also negative, focal length negative, height of the object positive, height of the image is negative because it is formed beyond the principal axis. And height, this is the height of the object is called height of the image. There is no magnification, there is no rise. Location at C. Nature real because it formed in front of the mirror. Real, inverted, same size. Same size means height of the object equal to height of the image. Height of the object equal to height of the image. These are 6 cases about concave mirror. And these rules, 4 rules and 6 cases are there. Next comes discuss about convex mirror. Convex mirror. There are also some rules and cases are there. First discuss about rule. Rule 1, convex mirror. There are normally some rules are there. And first rules, when incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray appears to coming from focus. This is the convex mirror. This is the principal axis and it appears as coming from focus. So it is virtual, so we draw it dotted line. When incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray appears as coming from F. This is rule 1. Rule 2, when incident ray or strike to the center of curvature. When incident ray strike to the center of curvature, then reflected ray retrace. When then ray strike to the center of curvature, center of the reflected ray retrace. This is rule 2. This is rule 2. Another rules also there are. This is the rule 3. This is the rule 3. Then write the rule 3. This is the incident ray strike to the center of curvature. It appears coming from the same path. So it is also known as retrace. Then rule 3, when PFC, when incident ray strike in particular angle to the pole, that is theta angle, then reflected ray also comes out in the theta angle. Reflected angle also comes out in the theta angle. This is the rule number 3. When incident ray strike to the pole at theta angle, then reflected ray comes out at theta angle. These are 3 rules. Only 2 cases are in case of, there are 2 cases in case of convex mirror. Convex mirror. Case 1. This is first discuss about case 1. Case 1, when object placed P and at infinity, this is P, this is F, this is C. Another line we draw based to the center of curvature. This is called, this region is called 2 lines, and this is the image is formed A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash. Then location. Image is formed in between P and F. Size will be reduced. Nature. This is the virtual, not real, because image is formed behind the mirror. Virtual, erect, diminished. Diminished. U is negative. U is negative. Height of the V positive. B is positive. This side. Height of the object positive. Height of the image also positive. Magnification M equal to also negative because size will be reduced. Size will be reduced. Then next case 2. Case 2. This is the object. This is the image. First line draw parallel to the principal axis is coming from the focus. It strike and comes out through the focus. Focus. When second line strike to the center of curvature, retrace. Where it record, this is the image is formed A dash and B dash. Image is formed beyond the in between form in between P and F. Virtual erect diminished. Then case 2. Case 2 you use the object placed at infinity. Object placed at infinity. P, F, C. We cannot place here. First line parallel. It coming from the focus. It is coming from the focus. And second line also we draw parallel line. It is also coming from the focus. So image is formed, that is very small, diminished, and this is object A, B, location at F, real, nature, highly diminished, virtual, highly diminished, point size, and U is negative, V that is image positive, height of the object positive, height of the image positive, magnification very small, so it is negative. These are case and rules of concave and convex mirror. Then next class I discuss about the numerical about concave and convex mirror. And my mobile number is, if you want to contact me, my mobile number 9861416186. Any doubt you can contact me. And 9861416186, this is my mobile number. And next class I discuss on some numerical. That's all. Thank you. Yes.